Alright, this is a test stream right now. This is me doing a test stream. I'm not even sure if I can, hear my own voice. Because, well, Windows have some horrible audio. So this is just me trying to test if I have any good audio or not. So, if you see it, ignore it, I guess. So, turns out I do have good audio. It's just a bit muted. Hello, I guess? Wait. Let me just. Hello. So, I still don't know what to stream right now, honestly speaking. Like, I currently have one viewer at the moment. So, yeah. Anyways, I really don't know what to do. So I'm just going to start playing Pokemon Showdown right now. I'm just going to play Showdown right now. You guys should just watch or something, I don't know. I'm not really much of a good player, honestly. Random doubles. I'm using my Elf account right now because I don't want to lose my main ELO. So, yeah. Who the fuck is Godfrey the Second? That just feels like Nimbus at this point. Probably Nimbus. Anyways, I'm not using any kind of mod like show decks or something. I want to play it like I want to play it as I usually do. I'll do protect, calm mind, I guess. Wait, no. We have Okidogi here. Protect and then Tauros, I guess. Wait. Do I have any spin blocker? Do I have any spinner? Muddy water, lack of it seems that I'm cooked in terms of speed control. I could do Tailwind, I guess, and Rock Slide, yeah. Rock Slide can handle both of them, I guess. Tail? Yeah. Speed control. Wait, why do both of them have citrus berries? Yeah. Bug Buzz into Rotom. Wait, no. Bug Buzz into Garventula and then Rock Slide. Because, yeah. It's not actually good much. That's not good. That's just not good at all. My team sucks. What I can do is outspeed him with Glimora and, try to defeat him. How can you not hear me? How? Is my audio not working? Wait, let me just fix my sound right now. Let me just disable it. What about now? Can you guys hear me now, I guess? It should. Yay! Alright, back to playing it. Spiky shield, no, spiky shield, and then protect. Let's see what happens. And yeah, that was predictable. I'm going to meteor beam and then brave bird into mean shell. Wait, no. Why the fuck does he have sash? Why? Who the fuck uses sash mean shell? Who the fuck even predicts that? Access to reliable recovery is pretty hard in doubles. And now I don't have Tailwind. I'm definitely going to get outsped and then killed. At this point, my only option is to Spiky Shield and just Tailwind and hope for the best. Like, there's nothing else I can do at all. Yeah, I'm cooked. Wait, no. That was retarded, actually. Why would you knock off into a guy with Spiky Shield? That's not good. That's not smart. Yeah. Ground? Terra ground? No. I don't need Terra ground. Wait, no, I don't have any. No. Meteor, no. Arts power into Houndoom and Thunderbolt in. Wait, no. Arts power into Houndoom and Thunderbolt into Darkrai. That was a neutral hit. Why would you do that? Please. Oh no, I'm cooked. Spiky Shield and then Muddy Water. spiky shield and muddy water. That's my only way. Because nobody expects Volleyball to do anything. Yeah, exactly. Wait, no. Electromorphosis? Should have used. Should I have gone with something like, Electroweb for speed control? Art power and Electroweb. Yeah, Electroweb. Yeah, but I'm still losing in terms of speed control. I'm still like dying. Calm Mind and then Thunderbolt, I guess. Yeah, yeah, that was a good crit. That was a good crit. I was going to win eventually, but still. Yeah. I want to get it. I want to get into ladder. That's my end goal at this point. I'm yeah. I don't plan on playing the game for that long. I'm just going to switch to something like programming in Rust. I'm currently working on a blog, and maybe I'm just going to work on that in the stream. Hopefully, no, a life orb, citrus berry. Mm, wood shadow snake, crane punch, controller. Wait, why is it Assault Fist, Iron Fist? Just why? Just why? Wouldn't the Guts, Facade, and Terra Normal be way better? Yeah. What I now need to do is Poltergeist into Gengar. No, wait, no. Shadow Snake into Gengar while clicking Trick Room. Fuck your speed control. I'm the speed control now. I don't think Gengar dies to this. Yeah, yeah. But still, speed control is what matters. For special attacker, yeah. Gengar would be like the pretty best answer at this point. Ice Punch into Scyther, and I guess Iron Defense. Wait, no. Should I do Iron Defense or Moonblast? Yeah, let me just Moonblast into Gengar. That's probably the best choice. I can't really afford to, like, I can't afford to boost up. The idea that I can sweep right now is just hilarious at this point. Of course, you switch to something like Clefable. Why wouldn't you? How the fuck are you still doing almost half to a bulky mon while being burned? Wait, no. Ice Punch, Body Press. No. Ice Punch, Iron Defense. Intimidate, Double Edge, Body Press. I need to utilize my speed control. I guess. Oh, I have 4 viewers at this moment, which is pretty good, I guess, compared to what I usually get. OMG. Yay. I think I know who that is, actually. Yeah, I think I'm out of trick room options at this point. Wait. Wait a second. What if I undo trick room and then hit it with Brave Bird? Wait, that would have actually won me. That would have been my victory. If I did this and then that. Terragrass Nesty Plot and then Moonblast into Gengar. Yeah. Heat Wave, wait. Do I outspeed or not? Yeah, and I outspeed. Moonblast into the fucking evil fella. Wait, oh no. Wait, no. Heat Wave and then Moonblast into Hoopa. This is definitely Assault Vest or Choice Scarf. Either one of them. I feel it. It just feels like that. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Let me just forfeit. Also, this is Niri. I love Niri. It's actually a pretty good compositor. Like, it just feels much better than Hyperland. Especially considering how horrible the developers are for Hyperland. Thunder Policy Blizzard, and then Thunderwave Mimikyu. Because we all know Mimikyu likes to swap out or Sword Stance. It's either one of those. And either option is just horrible. Yeah, it's a boost Mimikyu. Screw you, Mimikyu. Blizzard? No. And helping hand into the Blizzard. Hell, what? 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 Blizzard. Life steal. That was a good victory. That was a good victory, honestly. Oh my god, oh my god, though. Oh my god, though. That's actually goated. Wait, no. No. Fake out into Hitmontop, and then Tailwind. Then I need to Volt Tackle into a fucking Vivillon, and then Brave Bird into the fucking Hitmontop. Fuck your Sucker Punch. Now, Do I want to take out Hexorus or Electros? Definitely take out Definitely want to take out Electros first. Yeah, yeah. Of course. I'm not lucky. I'm not lucky in the slightest. Of course I miss and then I get Pera. Of course that's what happens. Like, what do I even have at this point? At this point, all I can even do is swallow. Alright, high horsepower and then gang shot, I guess. I'm going to miss. I'm going to miss. I'm going to miss. Oh. Yeah, that was actually pretty good for me. 154, 135. Brave bird into the fucking Hitmon top and then gang shot into the Electros. Of course I missed. Of course I missed. Why wouldn't I miss? Why wouldn't I miss? Why wouldn't I miss? Evil fella. Wait, oh no. Wait, no. Heatwave and then Moonblast into Hoopa. This is definitely Assault Vest or Choice Scarf. Yeah, I sound horrible. I just sound horrible right now. Yeah. I don't even have an excuse for that. I just sound horrible. I just sound horrible for some reason. All I can do right now is Illumise fucking. I fucking hate Illumise. Moonblast into Hippowdon, Stone Edge into Illumise. That's all I can fucking do right now. Bug Buzz, high horsepower. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm just gonna give up. I'm just gonna sack it. Yeah, no retreat. Wait, no. Terra Ghost, no retreat. And then rock slide in high horsepower into Bestiodon. No retreat. and then high horsepower into. Do I get an extremely bulky Pokemon or do I get an extremely good at attacking Pokemon? 305, 323. 200s, 200s. Attack 154, 154. Yeah, but still it is. But still it is. Weapon pass into Screamtail. Yeah, just literally the only viable option I have right now. Yeah, that was predictable. That was predictable. That was predictable. No, yeah. Lyra into Appleton, and then body press into Bastiodon. Fucking. Yeah, I fucking hate it. I'm just going to. How? And then no retreat. That's just going to be insane. That's going to be insane, actually. That's actually going to be insane. That's actually going to be insane. Yeah, Bramblegast. Mm. Lyra into Avalog, and then Power Whip into Bastiodon. Yeah, I messed up. I messed up. I messed up. Disable into Avalog, and then Spiky Shield. Yeah, I'm going to lose this time. I'm just going to lose. I'm just going to lose. At this point, I don't even know what to do. Avalog, and then no retreat, I guess. Follow me, no retreat. Oh no. Follow me into Population Bomb Avalog. Follow me into Population Bomb Avalog. Yeah, I'm going to lose. I'm just going to lose. I'm just going to lose. It's a given. Yeah, got some cheap damage done. Yeah, I'm going to lose. I just want to. I just want to kill some of his people. I just want to at least get rid of his other Pokemon before I can, lose. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, citrus berry. Citrus berry. Really good. Eldo Mamulla. That's how I say it. Eldo Mamulla. It just sounds horrible with my accent and my speech impediment. Helping hand Arbok into Gangshot. Oh. Bastiodon is definitely going to Iron Defense, so I'm not going to even bother with that fella. I'm just going to try and take out Ho-Oh first. Do I outspeed? Yeah, I outspeed. I'm just going to hope it connects. Yeah, of course it doesn't. Of course it misses. Of course it misses. Why wouldn't it miss? Why wouldn't it? Yeah, I'm just messing. I messed up. I messed up. Falling Puff into Arbok while I coil up. Yeah, Falling Puff into Arbok while I Falling Puff, yeah. That's literally the best. Toxic Spike while I coil up even more. Helping Hand into Arbok while I Stomping Tantrum this guy. Hmm. Yeah, Pollen Puff into Arbok while I Stomping Tantrum into Empoleon. Do either of them have Protect? Yeah, they have Protect. But still, I think I can handle it. I think I can handle it. Flash Cannon? Yeah, Stomping Tantrum. And then, oh no. Oh no, I messed up. I messed up. Rolling Puff into Archidula or Duraludon. And then Electroshot into Empoleon. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good situation to be in. A bulky Archaludon and Archaludon and a Vespiquen to cover me. Helping Hand into Archaludon, Flash into, you know, Flash Cannon into Bastiodon. Body Press, yeah. Body Press is not going to do anything. Archaludon into Flash Cannon into Bastiodon. I learned how horrible Bastiodon is the bad way. I don't want to encounter Bastiodon anymore. Bastiodon is evil. Flash Cannon. Yeah. Coaching. Archer. Liquidation. Archer. Bastiodon. Into Dragon Pulse. Ho-Oh. Yeah, that was probably the best. That was probably the best play. reasonable speaking. I only have 17 views. That's not really much, honestly speaking. I can switch into Heterine and then Flash Cannon into Bastiodon. What if I Flash Cannon into the Grimmsnarl? That would be actually pretty easy for me to get a win, but I don't want to because yeah, foul play does nothing. Yeah, Trick Room. Tricking my room right now. Mystical Fire into Bastiodon while I Flash Cannon into the Grimmsnarl. Yeah. Surging Strikes and Flash Cannon into Grimmsnarl. Well, yeah. Flash Cannon into Grimmsnarl and fucking wait. Oh, yeah. I'm losing. I lost. I fucking lost. I give up. I give up at this point. I just give up. Why am I fucking unlucky? I just give up. I'm going to start programming now. Yeah. I just need to pivot at this point, honestly. I have 2 viewers and I don't know who they are. Alright. And yes, I'm actually using fucking Emacs right now. Yeah, I'm fucking using Emacs. Emacs is ironically underrated. I'm not even sure if that's the ideal way to do it. What was I even trying to do here? Wait, what was I even trying to do here? I don't even fucking know. Wait. If it's wait, what was I even trying to do? What's the LSP here? So it's all outside the main loop. It's a lexical error, I think. Well, I could just, wait. What if I just make it return a boolean and check if it's always true? Wait, I can always return a boolean. I could use states, but using a state system would just be a bit more cluttered, I guess, honestly. So let's do this. I'm not going to 0, then break. No. And return true, and if I continue to return false, right? I think this is if it's empty then return false, so like it should be a negative loop, isn't it? Um, Wait, does this work? Does this work? It should. Shouldn't the default be false? It should be false by default, isn't it? Wait, it should work, wouldn't it? I just want, I just need it. What? Rotation, for diagnosis 3. What was I even trying to do here? Yeah, it works, it works. Uh, yeah. So like, I'm not even sure if it's supposed to work. Like, I'm just making it cluttered. Like, why am I even trying to make the main loop outside the main loop? Like, it doesn't make any sense. Does it? Like, I just feel like it's more readable, but also at the same time, it just feels a bit more cluttered. Like, I could just delete this and put everything here and put everything here into just I could just, I don't know, like, does this look cleaner? Like, does this look cleaner? Like, well, it looks cleaner right now, but like in the future it should look a bit more dirty, doesn't it? Like, I don't even know what I'm trying to say here, but like, shouldn't it be more cleaner if I just do this instead of instead of this instead of this? Like, I don't fucking know. I'm just confused. What's like what's a better paradigm at this point? Like, it's just I don't know. Wait, I'm just confused at this point. Like, uh, I don't know. I'm just confused at this point. I'm just confused. I'm not even sure. Like, what even counts as a good paradigm for programming? Like, what even qualifies at this point? But anyways, Anyways, I should just write it. I'm just going to write it. I'm going to write it as it is. I just can't give up. Wait, no. I'm going to need to document it. It look a bit more readable than just using this fucking main loop. Wait. Yeah. Basically, what I'm trying to do is, I don't fucking know. So basically, but I don't know what to comment right now. False equals to continue, and true is just equals break. Hopefully people are not that retarded. Hopefully people should understand, right? Hopefully this should be more readable. Like, is it readable? I don't know. Yeah, this should be enough, right? So like this should be this should be enough. Like, it wouldn't it, like, I'm just trying to go piece by piece, but it's a bit hard to manage, going piece by piece and just making it, messed up. I don't fucking know how other people think. That's the main issue. I don't know if my current method is, slow enough or like chunky enough. Like, I'm not sure if I'm just making too many jumps in the code. Like, going from doing something basic to, like, making the entire code base. It's a subtle balance. Yeah, it's a subtle balance, I guess. No fucking way. No way. No way. That's the other guy. He's fucking based. You guys should subscribe to him. Go subscribe. Just go. Just subscribe to him. Just go. Hello. Yeah, people should subscribe to you, honestly. You guys should. I'm already subscribed. But yeah. Anyways, in theory it should work. Wait a second. Wait, this should go down here. P/S/S. P/S. Peripheral utils. FRC. Shell. Wait, what did... Yeah. Wait, what did I do in my old version? What did I do? Oh yeah, I just ran the loop in the main function. That's what I did, and that was retarded. Like, for hindsight, in hindsight, it's just retarded, honestly. Yeah. I don't think we need to establish pipelines for now. Did I do trimming? Yeah, I did trimming. Yeah, output sanitation is pretty important. Yeah, I'm just not convinced if I should, like, teach people how to, like, do pipes and stuff, because even I barely understand this stuff. This part, like this specific part, I just took this from another piece of code from the internet. I didn't write this part. I wrote the rest of it, but I didn't really understand this part. At this point, I don't even know what to do. Should I just... I don't know. Like, I'm actually... I'm just convinced. I'm just confused on what to do. What should I do? Should, like, I don't know. I'm just yapping right now. I'm just like the engagement bait. I'm just looking for people to comment. If people comment with me, then maybe. Wait a second. Wait. No fucking way. No way. That's Viv. She was my ex-bestie. I don't know. I'm just trying to engagement bait at this point. I'm not even sure what to do at this point. Hey, what's going on at view count? Yeah, it's still 2 people. Yeah, I should just, should I just, at this point I'm confused. Should I just, teach them the way I did this one? But this one is, wait, let me just full screen it. Let me full screen it, yeah. This is probably the most cluttered shell I've ever written. It's just extremely cluttered and extremely inefficient. Like, look at this. Wait, no, this part, yeah. Look at this. There are 50 different ways to optimize this shit. I can just make it easily more readable and make it more compact. Instead of using a bunch of different variables, I can just use one single variable and sanitize it. I don't even know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm just going to I'm just going to do basic. Mm. Mm. Um, what should I even do? Like, I'm just confused. Decision paralysis, I guess. Uh, Anyways, yeah. Mm. I don't know what to do. Well, uh, should I just, alright. I'm going to skip. I'm going to skip forking. I'm just going to focus on the built-ins and the bare minimum and essentials at this point. Yeah, I'm just going to ignore the other stuff. What should I call it? Yeah, I should call it parts or something. Split into it. Wait. Include iterator of subscript. No. So oh yeah. Yeah. String white space. That's more reasonable actually. That's just more reasonable. Wait, should I do a match or an if-else conditional? A match looks more fancy. Like, look at this. In Rust at least. A match conditional is definitely more fancier. It's undeniable. Yeah, it's undeniable. And if that conditional looks way more fancier. Yeah, it just looks more fancier, I guess. That's what I'm going to do. Uh, maybe let's cover. Yeah. That I'm. I should get some background music, but the copyright system is just a bit weird. So I'm not going to mess around with music and stuff. Hmm. 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 All right, now, yeah, so let's focus on my code first. Then we can focus on the aesthetics, I guess. What the fuck is that bug? Let me just. Should I? Mm. Or it's a singular. I'm just going to use the match conditional, honestly. Wait, what happened? Wait, how do I iterate? How do I iterate? Oh yeah, I can just use a vector, honestly. I can just use a vector. I can just, yeah, I can just use a vector, honestly. Wait, no, already using the. I'm already using the command, aren't I? So I'm just going to use com. In theory, it should work. Like, wait, no, wait. I kinda forgot. Only for temporary. Okay, I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to use this. And yes, I'm still a beginner at Rust while making a tutorial on Rust. Cry about it. Cry about it. Yeah, I'm just going to use this. Wait, no. Wait, no, wait, no. I forgot which one was it. Wait, no. What did they use in the old one? Command new. Um, I know. Wait, wait. Is it? Is this valid? Is this valid? Is it? Is this actually valid? What do you guys think? Is it actually valid or not? Hmm. Hmm. I don't fucking know. Is there even anyone watching at this point? Is there anyone watching other than a bot or something? You know what? I give up. I'm not going to write the blog. I'm just going to write the shell. The shell alone is killing me. That's enough to kill me at this point. That's enough to kill me. Kill me. Just kill me. It is horrible. not going to do, I'm not even I'm not even trying. I'm not even going to. I give up. I give up. I'm just going to use. I'm going to try something. In theory, that it should work, right? I give up. I'm just going to give up. I give up. I gave up. Trust is killing me right now.